Here is the Anna Griffin rubber stamp set. This is new. It's never been used. It's back from 2003. Let's see. The case is good. A little bit of maybe discoloring, a little warpness on the label. Other than that, it's perfectly fine. These are sealed. The ink pads are still sealed. Whether or not they work, I do not know. You may have to re-ink them. And here's the ribbon. So let me show you that they're sealed. See how they're still sealed? And then this one, all sealed. And then here's the stamps. All clean, never been used. How cute is that? Let me... And then this one. Actually, I think the plastic is still on it. I don't know if that's supposed to stay on it, but yeah. So they have never been used. Still new in box. So it's new old stock from 2003. And that is the Anna Griffin. And here's the ribbon. Again, these inks are sealed. They have never been opened. I do not know if they still work, but you may have to re-ink them. But the stamps, beautiful. Everything is still new in box, old stock. And what does it say? Rubber stamp, floral garden. Okay. The next stamps that we have, I believe these are Stampin' Up stamps. Let's see if we can open them. Ooh. This one looks like it was a little used. So some of them are used, some of them are not. They look like were used and cleaned. So these two were used and cleaned. Very good condition. We have these. What I'm going to do is just show you, rather than take them all out, show you how nice they are. Let's turn this around. And then we'll go to the other side to show you the designs. It says Stampin' Up, if you could see that. And this one doesn't say what they are. I don't see a marking on any of them. I believe these are Stampin' Up as well. Then we have these. So this one looks like it was used and cleaned up. Those are very pretty. Nice designs. Yep, these are Stampin' Up also. It's a whole lot that we're selling. So there's about 48 or 49 that are on eBay. They're already up on eBay. It's happy birthday. Congratulations. And then these are cute. We have these. This I think I'll open because these are pretty big. So the lines, that's pretty neat. That's a design. We have these. And then we have this. I don't think these were ever used. They don't look like they were ever used. So then we have this one. This one is some kind of a label. Okay, I had to stop the video for a minute because My storage ran out, but we were on the label. We did the label, the little gift tag label. And we also showed the teddy bear. Well used, but still very good condition. That is adorable. Let's see, this looks like an angel. I don't think this one was ever used. We have this one. Looks like some kind of a border stamp, which can go either way. And then we have this big one. Thanks so much. Thanks so very much. This looks like it was used and cleaned. And then there's this one, this pattern. Let me see where, here's the maker. Impressive Stamps, D 1869. This is thanks so very much. I don't know if you can see that. Tech Impressions, I believe. I can't make it out. I'm hoping that you guys can see it in the camera. 1995, Annette Allen Watkins. The teddy bear one. Rubber stamped. I'm trying to read it, but let's see what this one was. I don't see anything on it. That's cute though. Don't know who made it. Little gift tag. Oh, and that's the one I can't make out. I still can't make it out. Something design. It's in like a fancy script writing. Let's see if I can get into the camera if you can see it. Okay. Showed you that one. Then there's this one. That's adorable. Used and cleaned. That's a nice design. 1988 PSX. I can't tell, but it looks like California. Let's see. This is thank you. Declassified Stamp Company. Okay, and then we have this schoolhouse. Not used. Here's the maker. Impressive Stamp Schoolhouse F366. Cute. 1990. Oh, I can't even see that. I can't see the maker. Something Dink. Ink for Dink. I believe. That's what it says. A little blurry. That's so cute. We have Little Feet. Where am I? Little Feet. Hero Arts. Here's the feet. And we have this, Holly and Candy Canes, Lucy Rig, rubber stamp, Christmas border. That's nice. Especially for you. Can't see that through the camera. Mathis, something Mathis? I don't know. Maybe you can make it out. I can't see through the camera. Sorry, guys. Makes it hard. This is cute. Oh, here it goes. I can barely see what is that? Peace Creek. Well, Peace Creek, I think. That's all I can make out. And then there's this one. It's so pretty. Something Market, alphabet soup, wood stamps. That's pretty. And then we have these rubber stamps that are on foam and not wood. There are only a few in here. This is Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas. Thank you. And season greetings. Okay, so that's what we have left. This is what we have that's included in the lot. There are about 48 pieces, I believe. We have the containers of stamps plus all of these that are loose, ranging in different sizes, different themes. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And it is on our eBay. I may put it on Etsy, but for right now, this lot is on eBay. And until my next video, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.